Assalamu alaikum. I just want to tell Dr. Zakir, I am a revert, and I was just asking questions on behalf of my non-Muslim family and friends, and I just wanted to say, Subhanallah and La ilaha illallah.
That's why I said you have to say what you have to say.
Welcome to religion of peace, sister. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you and grant you Jannah. And we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide you. And if you have any questions, sister, regarding to help your other family members come back to the right faith, to revert, you're most welcome to ask any questions, sister. And you have any clarification, you're most welcome. There are many Dawah centers here in Dubai. There are many sisters' organizations. You can contact them, inshallah, if you have any queries. And now if you have any questions regarding to convince your other family members, you're most welcome to ask, sister.